Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a wear test on this Almay foundation. If you are interested in seeing how this makeup was applied, please stay tuned. Thanks. I found this in my local CVS. This caught my attention because not only is it a makeup, but it is supposed to help clear your complexion. It has acne treatment medicine in it. This is in the color Cappuccino. Says that it helps heal and prevent breakouts, something I need. Skin looks poreless and refreshed. It feels hydrated and smooth. There's a soft matte finish and it's buildable coverage. I have used it twice already. And so what I found is only 2 pumps is all I need to get good coverage. This is the 2 pumps that I use. It is very thick, but it's lightweight on the skin, which is kind of odd. So just start with my brush and I go in patting. And usually when I apply my foundation, I pat a little, then I blend in. It's hard to do with this foundation because it's so thick. So I normally resort to just patting. Okay, so that is just 2 pumps. That's the coverage I have. Yeah. And it feels lightweight. It feels like skin, which is something I love. And if you notice, I didn't prime or anything. I just have moisturizer under here. I figured I didn't want to use too many products under this because it is an acne treatment. And I want to see if it will improve my complexion. You know, I don't have bad acne, but I do have breakouts every now and then. And yeah, I want to see if this helps. Okay, so it's 11 a.m. I'm about to go out into this weather. It is very humid. We're gonna see what this makeup is looking like in a couple of hours. I will see you later. It's about 6 o'clock, so it's been about 7 hours. And this is what my makeup is looking like. I think I look pretty good. I mean, I'm not oily or anything. So I'll let you be the judge. Me personally, I am impressed. I think I found my go-to foundation. I've been trying out different foundations this year. I don't know. I've tried maybe 4 or 5. And I like this one. Usually, you know, when I come home, like I said, I normally want to wash my face because I feel like my makeup is wearing me instead of me wearing my makeup. I feel like it's about to melt off my face, but not with this. It feels like skin. It's lightweight, although the actual product is thick. Once you apply it and blend it in, it blends in perfectly with your skin. It feels like skin to me. And like I said, this is after 7 hours of wear. Trying to get close so you can get a good look. I normally sweat on my nose. I don't see much oil. Well, my nose is sweating. But yeah, and as far as transfer, there is some transfer, not a lot, not like I've seen with other foundations like the Maybellines and even the Fenty. I've tried Fenty and I like this better than the Fenty. It's shocking. I think I found my go-to foundation. I never thought I'd be a person that only wore one foundation. Since I've been wearing makeup, I normally switch up. Like, you know, I may wear one brand one day and another the next. This is a foundation that I can wear. I feel like I will be comfortable wearing every day and be satisfied with how I look. So here's the final look after 7 hours of wear. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.